Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a keyboard escape keycap. Join the Discord in the description to download the file. Extract the file and drag it into your maps folder. Then, launch your map. Open the Verse Explorer and open the Verse file. Next, open the Verse file accompanying the Verse code. Copy and paste it into your map. Now, select the panel to insert the material. Next, drag the Verse device into your map. Select the audio player and change the down distance to 25. Then drag the blueprint keycap into your map. Set its size to 3.5. Turn on no collision. Set the mobility to movable. Then add a verse tag markup component to the keycap. Edit it and select the tag. Add the material to the keycap. Now, duplicate the keycap as many times as you want. And there you go! You just made a keyboard escape keycap. See you next time!